M&ZLASER Technology Company Limited is located in the beautiful seashore city Qingdao. After 10 years of development, it has 12,000 square meters of professional laser equipment production workshop, 1,000 square meters R&D center, 500 square meters of professional sample center, 22nd senior R&D personnel, and dozens of after-sales engineers. After unremitting efforts, has now formed laser cutting, laser welding, laser marking, laser cleaning, and other one-stop equipment production capacity, has become a large-scale special custom equipment suppliers in Qingdao, Jinan, Shenyang, Zhengzhou, Xi'an, Shanghai, have established the product supporting base over the years with stable technical strength, stable product quality, stable after-sales service, won the majority of domestic and foreign customers alike. With the rapid development of laser equipment, M&ZLASER has been working with Ocean University of China and Qingdao Agricultural University for a long time to develop high-tech applications in the field of laser, and it has gradually become a well-known laser system integrator in China. China's leading manufacturer of industrial laser equipment has extensive and deep cooperation with Qingdao Haier, Qingdao Hisense, South Korea Samsung, Japan's Sony, Germany's Volkswagen, American General Motors, and Dongfeng Motor. M&ZLASER people believe that with the spirit of hard work and tireless efforts, will be able to contribute their own strengths for the development of China's laser industry. M&ZLASER, looking forward to be your best partner.